No issue at all.
तो गुड आफ्टरनून ऑल ऑफ यू। आज हम हमारे बीच में कर्नल अरुण दत्ता जी हैं और हैप्पी कंबोज। तो काफ़ी सारे बच्चे मेरे से कई बार फ़ोन भी किए, बच्चों ने बोला कि सर आईआईटी मेडिकल के तो काफ़ी बच्चे आपने बुला लिए, लेकिन हमको अखिलेश से और हैप्पी कंबोज से मिलना है। तो और हम बड़े सौभाग्यशाली हैं कि मैंने सर को फ़ोन किया, कर्नल साहब को, तो सर ने तुरंत बोला ठीक है मैं भी आ रहा हूँ। तो मैं ज़्यादा समय ना लेते हुए मैं आमंत्रित करता हूँ सर को, कर्नल अरुण दत्ता सर।
Thank you so much, Jitendra ji. Very kind of you, and I'm very, happy in the presence of Happy Kamboj. I'm very happy that you have organized this webinar, and it's actually a matter of great pride for all of us who know both these young potential budding officers, that they have actually made us feel very proud by their hard work, by their commitment. And, if you see that banner which the Cambridge and the Genesis classes that is made, and the very, very beautiful pic which we got from them, where I see Akhilesh Tomar with CSN's band, there on his white patrol and with a sash, red sash across his chest. And I couldn't miss the JU Junior Under Officers rank on the shoulder of Happy Kamboj. Now, when I speak about this, for all other my students who are listening to me, watching me today, my dear boys, let me tell you one thing, that after joining NDA, this kind of a appointment coming in the way of our Gurukul boys, it speaks volumes about their dedication and the hard work which they had put in their training. And I can say all this because with the conviction, because God is very kind. I had the opportunity, the Indian Army gave me an opportunity to be instructor there in National Defense Academy for more than 3.5 years. And I understand that what kind of a hard work which goes in shaping the cadet, the way they are, these two young boys who are shortly going to join their respective academies. Happy will be going to join the Indian Air Force Academy, and of course, Akhilesh will be going to join the Indian Military Academy. Now, good thing for me and good thing for all other students of Gurukul Kurukshetra who will be joining NDA henceforth. Now, these two boys, they are actually the pathfinders. When they went into the academy, I don't think anybody was there to hold their hand, because I don't think was there any student from Gurukul there in NDA when you went there?
There were two cadets.
There were two cadets, but yeah. But now
yes,
I think we got quite a few.
Yes, sir. Right now we are 10.
We are 10, and 10. Let me tell you, my dear boys, is a good number when you celebrate your, school.
10 from Gurukul only.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
And when you celebrate your school social, now at least there is some crowd over there, isn't it?
Actually, we were having it today, sir.
Okay. You had your school social today.
Yes, sir.
Oh, wonderful. I remember, on a lighter note, Happy will be able to understand, whatever I'm going to say, and all my other students who are going to join NDA in due course of time, those who are listening to me, you will understand at that point of time. Let me tell you a very interesting story. When I was there in Indian Military Academy as a gentleman cadet, so in the third term we were having our school social. So in the school social, actually there was nobody from my school over there, but I had kept the chair and the peg table outside my cabin, And of course, there is something which goes on there, which Happy knows. I'm not going to speak on this matter. So that kind of a drinks were there, and my platoon commander walked in. He says, "What are you doing?" I said, "Sir, I'm having my school social." He says, "Oh, great. Where are others?" I said, "Sir, I'm the only one from my school." So, but beauty is that that kind of a situation is not there for these two boys, because now there are a handful of them, and I'm sure in times to come there are going to be large number of boys from Gurukul Kurukshetra, and also with the efforts of Genesis classes and Cambridge, many other students from Karnal, Kurukshetra region will be going to join the National Defense Academy. So Happy is here. I would like him to share his experiences with the other friends, his friends who are there, who are eagerly waiting for him to speak. So it will be very nice, and I will be failing if I don't congratulate both of you once again. You've done an extremely good
Thank
job,
you.
and I'm very happy. I've been, saying one thing when I was an instructor in NDA, and also to all my other students here in Gurukul, also those who are aspiring to join NDA. I always tell them NDA is for 6 terms and 3 years, not a day more. And if you are in love with this institution, come back as squadron commanders or divisional commanders, div officers, and squadron commanders, and maybe as a battalion commander, maybe as a deputy commandant and a commandant in due course of time. But as a cadet, only 6 terms, not a day more, because a day more means relegation. A day more than 6 terms means relegation, and that kind of a situation should never come in the life of any cadet. You pass out from your academy within the stipulated period, and now that you go to your professional academies, now training is going to be different. Here training was more oriented
Yes, sir.
towards academics, but now it is going to be a totally professional training which you will be undergoing. I'm sure you have enjoyed your stay in NDA. It must have been a little difficult, but then that is how the NDA makes the men out of boys, and that is what you have become now. And I'm sure
Yes, sir.
you are going to enjoy your subsequent training, and you are going to do very well in the Indian Air Force and the Indian Army that you're going to join after completing your professional training. So with this, I will request Happy Kamboj to share his experiences with the boys, and whatever words of wisdom, now that you are an experienced boy, now that you have seen life from a very different perspective, I think you are at the best position to tell these young boys who are as much committed as you were to join NDA, and tell them that how they have to prepare, how they have to groom themselves, and how they need not wait for the wardens to come and correct them, how they need not wait for outside courses to come and tell them do this and don't do this. You got to take care of yourself, as I
Yes, sir.
always say: self-respect, self-discipline, and self-grooming. These are the issues which are going to take you forward. So over to Happy Kamboj for the further proceedings. Please go ahead, son.
Thank you, sir. First of all, I will be very sorry because there will be some disturbances. My course mates are enjoying, so there
Not to
might be
worry.
some kind of noise and all.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you, sir, for giving me this grateful chance to have a talk with my juniors, especially our school types, so that we also feel proud in saying that yes, we are having our school social. In our earlier terms, like your first, second term, so there was no one from our school. So I used to see my course mate, they used to go for their school social, and I used to ask them, ki, wo kya hota hai? What is that? Slowly, we also started doing that. And yes, now I feel proud that yes, we are 10 of us. And yes, we had planned it today that today night we'll be doing our school social. But it got delayed due to some reasons. But we'll be doing on Sunday.
Okay.
So preparation for the exam. Just now I was going through a thought Just one second. Sir.
Not to worry, not to worry. We can understand. It's a very, very. They are in a blissful state right now. It's okay. It's okay. That's that is what happens
So I was going.
when you pass out. When you pass out, you are in that state
Yes,
of
sir.
good, wonderful.
Yes. So I was going through a thought that no challenge, no success. Know your challenge, know your success. So first thing is that we should realize what is our challenge, what we need to do, what we are doing, what we are planning for. Because the most important thing for doing anything is a thought, a spark for doing that thing, and the planning, that how we will achieve that. And third thing is execution. That whatever we have planned, we are executing it or according to it. Or if you are lacking somewhere, why we are lacking. We need to realize this thing, and it's kind of human nature we come to know whether it's happening right or not. We are doing right thing or not. It's just we need to focus and focus. Telling out myself, I was not aware about NDA till my ninth standard. There was my friend in another section. His father came. I was sitting with him. So they told us about NDA ki what is NDA, NDA क्या होता है. And I took it lightly. कि it's अपने बस की बात नहीं है. So I don't know what is this thing. But same night, I had a dream. My father is also in Indian Air Force. So I had a dream that I standing with my father, and we both are taking a photograph in uniform. So in ninth class, that dream was the spark for me. कि नहीं यार अगर कुछ हुआ है, that thing happened in unconscious mind, and if ऐसा कुछ हुआ है, so I have to do something. And then I started preparing. First thing was to know what is NDA. Second thing, how to go, how we can reach there. क्या होता है, what is there, what all things we need to do. So I started preparing, collecting information from preparing for my boards, collecting information, and I started preparing from 11th to Genesis. 11th and 12th, both. These two classes are the main. We should be focused towards our aim. Because from Gurukul I have heard this thing, these 4 years, 9, 10th, 11th, 12th, these 4 years will decide your next 40 years. So as obviously from 11th, I started working on it. I was aware that yes, math is required. So I started focusing on my math, complete my math in 11th. Then for exam, 12th, practice exam we used to give in April. So I lacked somewhere. I thought, why I failed that exam? So I got to know that I am writing, which is general ability test. So I worked on it, knowing my weakness. I worked upon them, and in September, which is our main exam, eligible for, I appeared and passed that exam. Just see how early we realize those things, that where we are lacking, what we need to do at moment of time, what all things we can do. If we are doing something and the output is not coming, so what should be changed? What should be the change जो हमें करना चाहिए? After that, just went for the SSB without we got coaching from IFDO. Colonel BT Ray was there for us. From Gurukul, sir helped us a lot to improve us in the SSB interview.
हैप्पी आपकी तरफ से ना थोड़ी सी जो साउंड है ना वो
Yes,
बीच बीच में लैग कर रही है, कुछ प्रॉब्लम है तो इसको एक बार देखना, क्योंकि
yes, sir.
स्टूडेंट बहुत अच्छे से सुनना चाहते हैं और अभी तक हमारी स्ट्रेंथ जो है काफी बनी हुई है और आपका काफी वेट कर रहे थे, तो जो ये प्रॉब्लम डिस्टरबेंस हो रही है.
Participants right now. So it's quite a large number of students who want to listen to you. So, my dear boys, the voices which you heard from behind as Happy is speaking to you, these are the sounds of success which you are hearing. What has happened is that the boys, after they're passing out because of the COVID reasons, they are staying back, and they are the ones who have cleared their 3 year stay in NDA, and now they are waiting to go home, and then from there waiting to go to their respective academies, Air Force Academy, Indian Military Academy, or to the Naval Academy.
सर ये जब क्लास 11th में था, मुझे
Yeah.
याद है इसकी आवाज भी नहीं निकलती थी और
Absolutely.
इतना अच्छा, मतलब इतनी अच्छी ट्रेनिंग होती है सर, ये कितना
Yeah.
अच्छा बोल रहा है, या इससे पहले भी जो भी कैडेट से बात हुई है, कितना बढ़िया आप लोग सर बना देते हैं.
See, this is 2 years in 11th and 12th, and of course, right now we got a preparatory program and foundation programs for the NDA and for the IIT. Now, all these things make a lot of difference because now you heard him saying that till 9th he was not even aware what the NDA is all about. And now it's such a proud moment for him that he's going to be a second generation officer in Air Force. His father is in Air Force, and he is a serving person, I suppose, now, even now. And what pride his father would be having that his son is also wearing the Air Force uniform as an officer. So this Gurukul program of 9th, 10th, and then later on 11th and 12th, in this, that we try to say that it is SSB is a way of life, and this is what these boys they had followed. So they had followed this system of making. बेटा नहीं वो बंद करो ये चलते रहने दो. So what? Yeah, I think Happy is back. He's back on screen. So can you hear me, Happy?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can hear you, sir.
Please go ahead. Please go ahead.
So after clearing the SSB, I was SSB. I came to Gurukul, and it was like an amazing feeling which I had never felt before. Because this was the feeling which I can't describe to anyone, and it was for the first time. After coming out, giving, because those were the days which at what time we used to study, and at that moment of time, the peak time for our boards, I went for my SSB, and it was my boards are on the shake whether I will focus on my board or on SSB, 50% chance. But after clearing SSB, again, that I had time to prepare for board exams, gave my board exams, spend time with my classmates, and started preparing to join NDA. So I got to heard from somewhere about NDA that if you want to see heaven, visit NDA. If you want to see hell, join NDA. So I was like, why they are saying like that? And the moment I joined the academy, within 1 or 2 days, I realized why it was. The earlier terms used to be quite tough. We used to learn from our seniors. They used to teach us in different ways. Then passing time, after again 6 months, next 6 months, it's like a life cycle. First thing we learn here, then whatever we have learned, we teach here to our juniors. So, yeah, whatever I learned from my first to third term, I started teaching juniors. And at that moment, I realized, yes, to control, it's very easy. If we are in a group, to speak against someone, it's very easy. But to control those groups, student cadets, it's very difficult. And that thing we realized here, we came to know how to do that thing. And yes, now We have learned the thing. We have learned many things, got many. And yes, right now many things are left unlearned, which we'll be learning in our next academies. This was about my journey.
Okay, okay, Happy. There are very few interesting questions
Yes, sir.
coming for you, and I think
Yes, sir.
Vikrant has, Vikrant has written a beautiful thing. He has written that Air Force motto: "Touch the sky with glory." Nab Sparsham
Yes, sir.
Deepam. He has written.
Welcome.
He sent this message, and then Shaurya from 12th NDA. He wants to know what is the school social. Will you like to answer to him? What is the school social?
What
We
is
just
a school special? Yes, sir, I will answer.
yeah,
It's
yeah.
like similar to a small party which seniors give to their juniors, which are of same school. Like we can hear from Gurukul Kurukshetra, and I and Achilles, we are seniors. Yes, we invite them for a small party that is known as school social.
Okay.
And we were lucky ki you came to know about it before joining academy.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
came to know about it after spending a lot of time.
Mhm. Right, right. So, Shaurya, I hope the your question is clear now. He has given you the correct answer. And the school social is, I will again reiterate whatever Happy has said. School social is like the boys from military school Dhalpur, boys from military school Ajmer, 5 military schools are there. So they get together. Similarly, Sainik School Kunchpura and all other Sainik School students. On a day, it is permitted by the academy. End of the term, in the last term, the senior boys are permitted to organize a school social. It's a school gathering. So in that, the senior boys, like in this particular case, Happy and Akhilesh, they were the senior students, and they invited all other Gurukul students and invited them for a small party, and there they discuss about the school activities, and and then it is kind of a show of strength also in the academy that look, so many boys from my school are here in this academy, and they help each other in the during the academy timings also. They help each other. So this is to create that kind of a social bonding amongst all the students. And a few more questions are coming.
Yes,
Now
sir.
Aryan is writing. Now he says he wants to know what is going to happen to you after this your NDA training is over.
Okay. I will be joining Air Force Academy, which is in Hyderabad. There I will go under training of approximately 1 year. After that, I will get commissioned into Indian Air Force.
Yeah, perfect. Aryan,
And
I hope
again,
Aryan, I hope Happy has made
uh,
the things clear to you. See, he has now cleared his 3 year stay at NDA. In these 3 years, he went from this school after +2. Now he is a graduate student. He has done his graduation. So he will be getting his. You will be getting your BSc degree, right?
I will be getting BTech degree, sir.
BTech. He will be getting his.
Air Force and Naval Cadets undergo BTech program.
Oh, perfect. Wonderful. Wonderful. So he is now a BTech student. He is a BTech grad. That is, he's a graduate of Bachelor of Technology. So after this, he goes to Air Force Academy. And in the Air Force Academy, now he will be doing his exclusive training for Air Force. Similarly, uh, Akhilesh will be going to Indian Military Academy, and there he will be doing his exclusive Army training. And this is going to be 1 year each. Akhilesh goes to IMA for 1 year. Happy goes to his Air Force Academy for 1 year. And on passing out from there, they will be wearing their ranks. And then they will be, now there is a change in Indian Military Academy from cadet, they will be known as gentlemen cadets.
Uh,
So that's a promotion.
Yes, sir.
and then they will be becoming officers from there. So
सर एक
Aryan, I hope it's clear to you.
सर एक स्टूडेंट पूछ रहा है, कार्तिक गुप्ता, भैया आप फ्लाइट कब उड़ाओगे या फाइटर प्लेन कब उड़ाओगे
Oh,
आप?
great. Happy, please go ahead.
Okay. Okay. Speaking about flight, yes, I have flown 10 sorties comprising of 7 hours 30 minutes. I have flown Super Dumona motorized aircraft. So this it's a motorized glider for a training cadet who is new to flying. Speaking about jet fighter aircraft, it will not. I will be given fighter jets after 2 to 3 years. I will be undergoing training approximately 2 3 years more. After that, I will be commissioning into fighter squadrons of Indian Air Force. So still time is there to join any of the fighter squadron.
Okay. So I hope it's clear. He has already done flying as a Air Force cadet. They are given flying training in NDA also. Similarly, the naval cadets are given training for Navy, and of course, when it comes to flying the Rafales and maybe the better versions, uh, Happy will be there, and that will be after a couple of years. Perfectly all right. Now,
Yes,
there
sir.
is another question which has come from Ritik. He says, how many years in NDA, son? NDA, 3 years, not a day more. Okay, 3 years of NDA training.
Okay, sir. Sir, I want to ask that he is in which class?
Ritik,
Sir, I want to ask that the guy who asked.
he,
Yes,
he
sir.
may be from Genesis classes in Karnal. There's a large number of, there are
Okay,
240
okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
now. Right.
Because
And,
if he is from NDA section, then I think he's lacking somewhere if he's not aware that how
no,
many years he spent in NDA.
he is not. He is not. Not to worry. Whatever questions are coming, we will take on. Acha,
असल
Abe
में
Noor,
Yes, sir.
no, Abe
कुछ
Noor,
बच्चे ना सर 5th 6th 7th के भी हैं
yeah,
और
there's small
selected
children also who are
और
from
और
5, 6, 7 also are sitting here.
9 10th ज्यादातर जो है वो 11th 12th एनडीए के हैं पर
Yeah.
कुछ बच्चे
Right. So Abe Noor wants to know that will you be getting any stipend? Have you got any stipend in NDA? Or
No,
will
sir.
you-
Not happen in NDA, sir.
Right. So will you be getting any stipend in Air Force Academy? Yes, answer is
Yeah,
yes.
sir.
Of
I
course.
will be getting yes.
Yeah, and that is going to be quite a handsome amount, I suppose.
Yes, sir.
So yes, Abe Happy has made it very clear in NDA. Training is free. All stay over there is
Yes, sir.
free, but there is no stipend as such. But yes, once you go to NDA or you go to Air Force Academy, once you go to IMA or Air Force Academy, you will be getting stipend, which is equal to earlier days second lieutenant salary. So it's quite a handsome amount which you get.
Yes, sir.
So few more questions. They're coming. Oh, there's a beautiful question which has come from Harsh. But Harsh, I am sure because of COVID conditions, they may not be very lucky. But still, I'll ask this question. Harsh is asking, what about the NDA ball? What happened to that?
It used to happen every term, but due to Corona pandemic lockdown, we didn't have that golden opportunity.
I feel very sorry for you, and I think Harsh is also feeling very sorry for you when he has asked this question. So, for the benefit of others, will you please tell us what the NDA ball is all about? You have seen it in the previous terms.
Okay, so first thing that we do not get to use, we do not get to see what is NDA ball because all the juniors are sent to different place and only 6 are kept so that they can have their ball. It's like similar to what we have in Western, like prom night. It's similar to that. Just all we go in our ceremonial rigs and officers and ladies are there. We just have a couple of good moments with them and just little
Okay,
dancing. It's similar to prom night that yes we are like we graduate from a college, and we have a prom night. It's similar NDA ball.
Okay. So for your information and for information of Harsh and for others, NDA ball is basically end of the term. The NDA buses go to all the best women colleges of Pune, and the girls over there, they are quite excited to come to NDA, and they come all dressed up in all their fineries, and the NDA boys in their white petrol, blue petrols, and there's a beautiful dance evening which takes place, and the NDA queen is also decided on that day, who gets a lot of good gift and prize from the NDA authorities. And that's a day when actually all the cadets look forward to this NDA ball. But because of this corona, I feel very sorry for my two boys. This NDA ball was not held. Okay. So Arjun, I think he's a very small boy. He's asking Happy, he's asking you, Bhaiya, is the NDA exam very difficult? So will you like to answer?
No, it depends on us how much we are prepared. The amount of preparation that we have done, that will decide the exam is tough or easy. For me, yes, it was easy. That's why I'm here. It just depends on the preparation. You just need to worry about the input. You will get output by yourself.
So Thakur Das is also here, and he wants to know. He says, please tell us more about your SSB experiences.
Okay. My SSB experience. What sir, I want to ask that what you want to know. SSB experience is like,
tell them
it's very big thing.
how it was, just in nutshell, because the little boy probably doesn't know anything about SSB. So he's asked this question: is SSB very difficult? No, SSB is not very difficult. I will take on. SSB is not very difficult.
Yes, sir.
SSB is a way of life. So groom yourself, be the best person, help out others, improve yourself, and SSB, you can clear it. Now, there is another very interesting question which has come from Kartike Gupta. He says, are mobiles allowed for NDA?
Yes, sir. No, mobiles are not allowed in any of the academy. The training academy, they are not allowed. Now, the second question will be how I am using. Then, yes, we have passed out. So, our orders are that we should not be done, but our squad officers, they have given us on their own risk because of some emotional attacks on them, which we have done, so that we are not going home. And so just to use mobile phone, we are provided with mobile phone just for 6 to 7 days.
Okay. So similarly, Abhay Noor says cameras allowed. I think all these gadgets are not permitted. However, all those students who want to pursue photography, I'm sure there's a photography club in NDA.
Yes, sir.
You can pursue your photographic skills.
Sir, one student is asking, is computer science being taught in NDA?
Yeah, Happy can answer this. Is computer science taught?
It is taught, sir, but in very less aware because of them BTech. But there are only 2 degrees of BSc, that is BSc Computer Science and BSc Chemistry. So yes, computer science is there, but I don't know how much and what they teach in that program. But yes, degree is there, BSc Computer Science, it's there.
It is there. Computer science is taught,
yes,
and I think BSc Computer Science is the degree which is given to the students.
Yes, sir.
And now Vivek Singh is asking a question. Do we have personal rooms, personal cabins?
Yeah, we have personal cabins starting from our first day.
Yes. Vivek, I hope it's clear to you. Every cadet in the academy is given his personal room. It is called his cabin.
Yes, sir.
The word is cabin. It is a personal cabin is given to him. And let me tell you, in NDA, the cabins are very beautiful.
Yes.
So, Devyansh is asking that if you are weak in maths, can you be selected for NDA? I think that I will leave Jatinder ji to answer.
मैथ्स
Yes.
वीक होगी तो एनडीए तो मुझे नहीं लगता हो सकता है। और वैसे तो हमारे किसी भी बच्चे की मैथ्स वीक थी नहीं। विपिन सर ने इतनी अच्छी प्रैक्टिस कराई थी सर, और इतने सारे हैप्पी बताएगा कि डेली लास्ट में डेली टेस्ट होते थे, तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि मैथ्स वीक रहेगी।
It was on 9th September 2018. We had our exam of NDA and practice test, that is mock test, started from August. So I myself have given approximately 15 to 16 tests, 16 mock tests with complete timing, filling of the OMR sheet, no mistake in that, solving question within time limit, giving how much time I should give to which type of questions. So it's called planning. That's why I was told in the starting that planning and execution. Till the time you will not execute your planning skills, you will not be successful in whatever you have planned.
There's a beautiful question which has come from a cadet student whose name doesn't reflect here, but
Yes, sir.
it says 12705, probably his roll number. He wants to know that did you give any punishment to any Gurukulian in academy? That's a beautiful question.
Okay. Yes, we have given to Priyanshu.
Yeah.
Correct. I will check correct Priyanshu and correct Akash. Actually, we were aware that they are from Gurukul. They were not aware that we are from Gurukul. So I took them. We gave them punishment, and after that we told, yes, we are from Gurukul.
Okay. See, 12705 and all my other students, he is, your Happy Bhaiya was a junior under officer there. And as a JEO, he is supposed to maintain discipline and he has got a lot of responsibilities. So in case he has to give a punishment to any Gurukulian also, well, he doesn't have much of a choice. He will give it, but definitely later on he will take care. Probably he'll call him to his room later on, to his cabin, and say, "Bhai, ye le laddu khale mere se, kuch bhi khale." वो बाद में वो करेगा, लेकिन punishment तो
Yes, sir.
ही पड़ेगी, because he is an
Yes, sir.
appointment there, and as an appointment he has to be fair to everybody. Now
Yes.
there is another
Sir,
question.
one thing I would like to
Yeah.
correct, sir.
Yes.
Sir, the rank JUO was earlier. Now it is DCC, Divisional Cadet Captain.
Oh, great.
Yes, sir.
So I didn't see that stripe, because from your photograph I just saw that blue band over it. So
Yes, sir. It's
artist, congratulations. That's then further promotion. Wonderful.
no, it's same, sir. I think that rank is not there. It was earlier, but now that blue band is known to be DCC, Divisional Cadet Captain.
Okay. So this is called
Yes, sir.
DCC. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Great. And there's another question which has come from Kostub. Kostub is a student
Yes,
of Gurukul, and he says that if anybody does any indisciplined activity in NDA, can he be removed from NDA?
He cannot be removed, but yes, the punishments are too heavy to survive. Like the biggest punishment is relegation. Doing your training, going back 6 months, repeating your one term, is the biggest punishment. And if that happens twice, means if you're relegated twice, then you are withdrawal from the academy.
Yeah. Kostov, I hope it is clear to you. Yes, any indisciplined activity, depending upon what kind of indiscipline has been done, the punishments are there. But if you, do a lot of indiscipline, well, the time comes that you can be removed. It's called first you can be relegated, and then maybe it is a withdrawal also. But that's why I have always been saying that stay there, do the training properly, stay there for 3 years, and then move out to your next academy.
So one student is asking, could you show your surrounding by your phone camera? असल में
that you can tell him that he can see this NDA picture is there, NDA movie is there. So
Yes, sir.
he can.
असल में ना सर लास्ट वीक ना एक स्टूडेंट आया था, स्कंद गुप्ता, जेनेसिस कुरुक्षेत्र का, जो एफएमसी पुणे है,
Okay.
तो उसने पूरा सराउंडिंग दिखाया था, शायद इसलिए ये बोल रहे होंगे कि
NDA is 7,000 hectares. So even if he travels in his car, so it will take him around hour and a half to go around NDA if he travels in a car. So
Yes,
NDA
sir.
is a massive academy. And
मोहंती सर इज देयर, मोहंती सर भी
I
हैं,
can see
जुड़
Monty
चुके
Saab has also joined there.
हैं।
And then, of course, there are a lot of students who are asking what are the subjects, what is the process, and how many questions will come. That I am sure Jitendra sir will tell you later on that what is the
Yes, sir.
questions. So anything else you want to? Somebody is asking me repeatedly, Anshuman,
Yes, sir.
when the school will open. So, Anshuman, when the school will open will depend upon the directions from the government of India and from the Haryana government. We are just waiting for them. And the moment they come, we will let you know through the website, through the, our WhatsApp messages, we'll let you know about it. Okay. Right. Any other questions coming? Happy, I hope you got time with you.
Yes, sir. I am having time, sir. Yes, sir.
So,
No
so
issue.
there is another Harsh. Harsh again is asking a question that how these appointments are given to the cadets over there. It's a beautiful question.
Appointments are decided by the work of that cadet. Means appointments are given in the sixth term. Means how was the performance of that cadet in the last 5 term? That decides the appointment, like who must be given that appointment. That he must be good in academics, PT, games, and of course, parade, that is drill. So all these things decide that who should be given that appointment in squadron.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I hope it's clear. Appointments again are given to the students who, after joining NDA, they show better performance over their course mates. So
Yes.
course mates in PT, in drill, in games, in your studies, academics, then your extracurricular activities, debate, and all these things. So if you're good in that, well, then you're given the appointment of DCC and like this. Another question from the class 7 boy, Aryavrat. He wants to know
Yes.
what is the vehicle that you use in NDA?
Okay, it's a normal bicycle. We call it bike here. Like it's which kind of vehicle that we used to ride them earlier. That type of bicycle is there. Old one. Type, old model.
Yeah. So it is basically the cycles, but we call it in NDA they call it bike.
Yes, sir.
भी सर एक बच्चे ने पूछा है कि एनडीए का इंटरव्यू टफ होता है। अभी सर ने बताया था कि ये तो वे ऑफ लाइफ है, और मुझे लगता है कि सर जैसे मैं इन बच्चों को देखता था, हैप्पी है और भी जो बच्चे सिलेक्ट हुए थे उस ईयर, शायद 5 या 6 बच्चे सिलेक्ट हुए थे ना हैप्पी।
Yes, sir.
तो ये
5.
लगते थे कि ये इनका बिहेवियर ऐसा था, ये डिसिप्लिन थे। तो जैसे सर ने बोला कि वे ऑफ लाइफ है।
Salary. Yagya wants to know what is the starting salary of an officer.
That I am also not aware.
He's also not aware. Okay. See, Yagya and all my other students, if you call it, how much salary comes to your pocket once you become a lieutenant. So the salary it could be anywhere around 55 to 60,000 rupees, which will be coming in your pocket. But even Yash from 12th NDA has already given this answer. 56,100 rupees. He has carried out a very correct calculation. So happy you should be.
सर मुझे नहीं लगता कि ये लोग सैलरी के लिए जाते होंगे, सैलरी इनका मेन एम होता होगा।
See, I'll tell you. But when you call it your pay and perks, lieutenant and his equivalent is much more than that, because what you get, there are a lot of other perks and privileges which you get along with it, and there's a free medical. There are a lot of other things there. So if you see the total package which comes to you, a lieutenant cost and his equivalent cost Government of India around 2 lakh rupees per month. Yeah.
whoever is asking this question about pay and all, I would say कि according to me, you must focus that what you want to achieve first.
हम्म
Because if I say about myself कि अगर मुझे अभी तक नहीं पता कि what will be the pay I will be getting, that means my thinking is somewhere that मुझे क्या achieve करना है वो है and he is going somewhere different. What I feel according to me.
Okay, okay. So the fact is that once you are in NDA, you should be very clear that you are a class 1 gazetted officer of the country. You are into a profession which is one of the most respectable profession in this country. And as far as the pay and perks are concerned, you are paid pretty well. It's a very decent salary and a very decent lifestyle which you get once you join. And then at such a young age,
Yes.
that's a point, that at such a young age you are very clear, like Happy and Akhilesh, the moment they cleared the class 12th and they were fit in their SSP and medical and everything, they knew it that they need not apply for anything else, any other exam, any other prospectus they have to fill up, because at this young age and even now you must be around 21.
I am 20, sir.
You are 20, imagine at 20.
Yes.
And by the time, yeah, so why I'm saying 21, because by the time you pass out from your academy you'll be 21, and
Yes,
at
sir.
21 years of age there is no other profession in this country which makes you gazetted officer class 1. So that is the biggest achievement for anybody. Now there were certain other nice questions which were coming.
Yes, sir.
And Aditya is asking, who's ranked number 1 in your batch, who has got the sword of honor?
What you want to know? This might be, I think, on the site.
Yeah, he just wants to know. He's a class 6 or
Okay.
7 boy.
He's BCA Mosam Vats.
Okay, fine. So then they're saying, is there any seniority, juniority in NDA?
Yeah, everything is there. Everything depends on seniority, juniority.
Yes.
And it's like to tell a fact that this academy is run by only seniors. There is no one involved in between.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yes, seniors are responsible for everything happening in the academy.
That is how they are groomed to be the future leaders. They are given the responsibilities, the appointments are given, and this is how they learn at such a young age how to manage the situations and how to manage the people. So that's the way National Defense Academy is run. So some students are asking you that how we can improve our spoken English.
Spoken English, whatever you are asking, it's hidden in that only by speaking.
सर एक बच्चे ने पूछा है कि रैगिंग कैसी होती है नहीं होती है रैगिंग इन एनडीए
it's of good amount लेकिन nothing physical.
Okay. 12705 has given you a very good compliment. He says, bro, you got a six-pack. He's given you a beautiful compliment. Yes, that is how the NDA makes you six-pack. Here one actor comes on TV and says, I've got six-pack. Here in NDA, all 450 boys or from one course, all of them are having maybe 8 packs.
Yes, sir.
And with a
yes, some of them will be having 8 packs, but yes, most of us have at least 6 to almost have.
Yeah. Somebody is asking, his name is not becoming clear. He's saying, Bhaiya, what is the food routine at NDA?
Food, Vicky.
Food routine.
It's given on time.
Breakfast, lunch, dinner.
It's given on time. It's just that you don't have time to eat it. You have it. You need to be very fast to have it if you want to have your meals.
Yes.
Yes. You need not to bother about meals. This is fixed time. You have to go, have it, and just run from there.
Yeah. Some students are asking how to prepare for SSP. Again, my dear boys, SSP, as I said, is a routine, is a way of life. So please develop, cooperate with others. Please help others. Please be honest and always improve yourself. Take care of yourself. You do not wait for your parents to tell you to do this, do this. So whatever is
Yes, sir.
correct, do it yourself. So if that be so, like Happy, I'm asking, addressing you as Happy Bhaiya because 5 and 6 class boys are also there. So
Yes, sir.
like what Happy is told you is that he had a dream, and then suddenly he realized that why not make an effort to convert that dream into reality. And that from ninth class
Yes, sir.
onwards, suddenly he started orienting himself towards NDA with a dream that my father is wearing a Air Force uniform, I will also wear the same uniform. And once that kind of a focus is there, after that automatically you start doing the correct thing and your preparation starts straight away. So that is what is about you know NDA preparation as such.
Yes, sir. It's just
So
nature,
yeah,
nature and behavior.
as somebody is asking, any student who leaves NDA after joining, very less, very less. Anybody
Very
who is
less.
very weak, who's very weak.
Yes, sir.
Ashutosh Srivastava is telling us that what tell us what is this technical entry scheme. So in Gurukul, all the NDA boys they know along with NDA they have to start they have to work for the technical entry scheme also. Technical entry scheme is that where your marks in physics, chemistry, and maths they should be nowadays almost touching 90%,
Yes, sir.
and so then you get straight away a chance to go for you can get a call for technical entry scheme also. So I'm just reading the questions as it is coming from the all the students, and they are asking a lot of questions. Some are repetitive also. There's somebody saying what is how the
Yes,
relegation is
sir.
given. There's no need to get relegated. Okay, we will not talk about the relegations.
First thing I will say that first you reach the academy, then think about these things.
Yeah, absolutely right.
Just focus
Absolutely right.
and join the academy first.
Yes, absolutely right.
Just
Absolutely.
prepare step by step, step by step.
Happy, this is what,
Do not
when I
leave
came
anything
here,
in between.
when I came here as a director, and even before that, when I was in the Sanic schools, there are a lot of
Yes,
ex-students
sir.
and other people, they used to ask me, and here also people used to say that, what should we do so that, we should be able to clear our first term and second term physical tests when we go to NDA.
इसको बड़ा करना
So
चैट
my
Yes, sir.
point was that for that the APTC people are there. बलवान साहब जैसे रेड सॉक्स वाले हैं ना वहां पे करवाने के लिए सब कुछ.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Everyone
So
is there, sir. Just
they
we
will
need
do
to
it.
give our best.
They will do all these activities. Our action should be from the school that first of all you must reach the Sudan block. That is
Yes.
NDA gate. You must go inside the
Yes, sir.
academy. Inside the academy, what is going to happen? That the people are posted over there and they will take care of that. So
Yes, sir.
this is what you're also telling the students that all these activities you think later. First of all, work how you have to clear your UPSC exam, work how you have to clear your SSB, work how you have to keep yourself physically fit,
Yes, sir.
and rest of the things. Once you are inside NDA, they will take place automatically. Nothing to worry about that. Somebody is saying that are you allowed to keep
Yes, sir.
mustaches there?
Yeah, we are allowed from fifth term.
Yeah, from fifth term, mustache is. But son, the boy is asking this question. 18 years old boy, 19 years old boy, when he reaches NDA, generally doesn't have mustaches by that time. He has just a small one.
Yes,
And
sir.
that too, after a
Yes,
fifth
sir.
term, as he said, after fifth term, you are permitted to grow your mustache also, but not the beard, not the beard.
Yes, sir.
So only the sick
No.
boys, they are permitted to grow the beard.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So I think we are done as far as the questions are concerned. All boys, they have sent a lot of questions, and I'm so happy that there's a lot of questions which have come from the students. That shows that how excited they are, and
Yes.
you have made quite an impact on all of them. And I
Yes,
will,
sir.
all those who are listening me, please type, send messages who feels that he is capable of joining NDA. just write, I can do it, sir. I can do it. So send me all those who think they are capable, those who are ready to follow Happy and Akhilesh Tomar. Just write it. I can do it. I will do it. So
बहुत मैसेज आ रहे हैं सर, आई कैन डू इट, आई कैन
yeah,
डू
yeah,
इट,
they can do it. All of them can do it because all of them are
आई विल
capable.
डू इट.
All of them are capable of doing it. So, tell us something about the goal market of NDA. How is it?
It's good, sir. The name, as its name, it's round, it's circular. The
Yeah.
markets and yes, we are having shops and bakeries. Bakeries are there. It's just in junior terms, we do not get time to visit there. We visit generally gold market in our senior terms, and yes, it's good place. We got to see so many new things, like what all things are there in our area, and yes, whatever is required, we get everything in the gold market.
Yeah. And can you please tell us something about the Habibullah Auditorium? When I was coming out, after doing my instructional tenure, it was being air conditioned
Yes,
and
sir.
it was under renovation, but that was long time back.
Yes, sir.
But now how's it? What kind of movies are shown there?
Right now, sir, from last 1.5 year, no movies are shown because due to pandemic.
Yes.
Earlier, yes, both Hollywood and Bollywood movies. See, we used to show them. We used to see them, and now it's fully is air conditioned with the capacity of 780 seats.
Okay.
And the name, for the general awareness of the students, I will say, the name Habibullah was given to it because Major General Habibullah was the first commandant of the National Defense Academy.
Yes, quite right.
And yes, it's in this shape of cockpit of the aircraft.
Yeah. And what about tell us something about the library of NDA.
Library is quite big. Even in my 6 terms, I haven't seen full library.
It's so
And
big.
yes, the name of the library is so big, and the name of the library is Vyas Library, on the name of first principal.
Yes. Yeah. And
And it is in the shape of anchor, which we have on our ships. It's in the shape of anchor.
tell us something about the Sudan block. Whose all offices are there in Sudan block?
All the main offices like commandant's office, deputy commandant, adjutant, assistant adjutant, all the drill instructors, all their offices are there, and we are not allowed to go on the first ground floor of the Sudan block because it's out of bound. And yes, all the main offices are there. So still, I am not aware who all sit there.
Yes.
But we are sure that all the senior officers of the academy, their offices are in the Sudan, and yes, but it is out of bound for everyone.
Yes, quite right. I think the third floor is the one where the classes are conducted.
Yes,
so that is permitted for the cadets. Otherwise, commandant's office is on the first floor, and deputy commandant's office is on the ground floor. And you have got director training's office, adjutant's office is there, principal NDA, his office is there, and all other officers, they got their offices in the Sudan block.
Yes, sir.
So that's a majestic, and then in front of that is a Slaria Square.
Yes, sir.
That again, and Ashoka pillar.
Ashoka pillar, yes, sir.
How many front rolls done around Ashoka pillar?
No, sir. Not front rolls, but I have carried my bike around it so many times.
Yeah, quite right. Yes, absolutely right. Absolutely. I'm getting very nostalgic about it. What about Bombay Stadium? Tell something about Bombay Stadium.
The stadium is on the name taken from the Mumbai, old name Bombay Stadium, for the benefit of the cadets. It's a circular stadium, like a cricket ground. It's circular and it's very big. so many events are organized in it, and yes, it's quite big stadium.
And we got swimming pool also there.
Yes, sir. We earlier we had two swimming pools. Now we have three.
Yes.
This come new one.
And opposite Bombay Stadium, we got tennis courts, squash courts.
Yes, sir. We have tennis court and squash court both. Yes, sir.
Yes. And what about the equitation lines, riding, etc.?
We have large number of courses. We used to get riding. We used to get a chance to ride from our second to fourth term. Means for 1.5 year we can do riding. And if we are good, then we get selected into academy team of equitation. Riding academy team.
Correct. Perfect. Somebody is asking about Khadagwasla Lake.
I have not been.
Yeah, you've not been there because it is, Shaurya from +2 NDA is asking about Khadagwasla Lake.
Yes, sir.
Khadagwasla Lake, only the boys who opt for, Navy,
Maybe. Yes, sir.
they go there, and others generally don't go that side. And Dhruv is asking, Bhaiya, how much self-study you have done in 11th and 12th?
Self-study, I can't define the amount. It's just that on that particular day, I used to aim that I will study this much, and anyhow, I have to complete that thing.
Yeah.
जितना मेरे ये तो असल में जितना वर्क दिया जाए इंस्टीट्यूट में अगर वो कंप्लीट हो रहा है
Yes, sir.
तो वो बच्चा सिलेक्ट होता है। और ये हैप्पी जितने भी बच्चे सिलेक्ट हुए थे डेली का वर्क डेली करते थे, और साथ साथ में जो डेली रूटीन होता था जो मैं देखता सर जो कराते थे वो वॉक एंड टॉक, ये सारी चीजें उनके साथ साथ भी जो भी इंस्टीट्यूट में जेनेसिस में पढ़ाया जाता था वो सारा ये कंप्लीट करते थे, और जो डेली का वर्क डेली करते थे वो सारे के सारे रिटेन क्वालिफाई किए थे। आई एम राइट?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you got to be sincere. All my students who are listening to me, you can whatever Jatinder sir is telling and your friend, your elder brother Happy is telling you, you got to be you have to take your studentship seriously always.
Yes, sir.
You
So one
got
thing I would like to add, sir, that
yeah,
a student must be sincere to himself first.
absolutely right. So
Because
you
only whole he knows.
yeah, please
where
go
he
ahead.
stands.
Please go ahead.
Only that particular student knows where he weak, where he is weak, where he is strong. No one else can find. So he must be sincere to himself. Only then he can think about something else.
Yeah, absolutely right. So all my dear boys, you heard him. You are the best judge of yourself. Others, we can just make some assumptions about you. So you know what are your strengths, you know what are your weaknesses. And you have to work in a way that you keep improving your strengths and you keep removing your weaknesses and converting those weaknesses into strength. So once you do that, and all this has to be done by you, not by anybody else. Please remember that. So you
Yes.
are the maker of your destiny. Please remember that. So if you are the maker of your destiny, well, you have to take care of yourself. And not that Happy or Akhilesh and other students who are there in NDA, and many of them who have not been able to go to NDA, they will do exceedingly well. But all those students will do well who know that they have to do well in life. Those who are not waiting for the external forces to influence them, they have to move from within. And once you do that, any student can achieve whatever he aspires, whatever he desires.
सर एक बच्चे का है सर, एक्सप्रेशन क्या थे फैमिली के और सोसाइटी के जब आपने एसएसबी क्लियर किया था?
Okay, I can say about family members because बाकी तो मुझे पता नहीं, I directly came from SSB to Gurgaon. Yes, everyone was very happy about that, and my father was shocked. "एक तेरा हो गया?" Like that. He spoke on phone like that to me. Like yes, पापा हो गया. That was the expression of my father.
मैं अपने एक्सप्रेशन बताता हूँ जब ये बच्चे सिलेक्ट हुए और सिलेक्ट होने के बाद और जब ये इन्होंने मेरे पैर छुए थे तो मुझे बड़ा गर्व महसूस हो रहा था। अभी तक बहुत सारे आईआईटीएन और डॉक्टर्स बने हैं, लेकिन एक ऑफिसर मेरे पैर टच कर रहा था, तो आई फील वेरी हैप्पी और गर्व महसूस कर रहा था मैं। तो सर आज का ये बहुत अच्छा लगा और मुझे
बाकी के एक्सप्रेशंस मैं बता देता हूं अभी। अ, मोहंती साहब, बलवान साहब और मैं, जब भी किसी बच्चे का फोन आता है कि ही हैज क्लियर्ड हिज एसएसबी, तो हम लोगों को ऐसे लगता है कि भाई जैसे हम लोग अभी 16-17 साल के हैं और किसी भी छलांग मार देंगे अभी जाके, तो मजा आ गया, मजा आ गया भाई।
Yes, sir.
तो ये एक्सप्रेशंस हम सबके रहते हैं। एंड टेलीफोन के ऊपर जैसे ही फोन आता है, बलवान साहब, मोहंती साहब उधर से, सर अखिलेश has made it sir and happy is also cleared SSB, oh great, हमें लगता है कि भाई बस हम ही सिलेक्ट हो गए जहीं कहाँ पे जाना।
सर लाइट
And
की
that is
स्पीड
what
से
happened.
आप जब बताते हो उसके बाद लाइट की स्पीड से सारी बातें जाती हैं।
Yes,
प्रकाश
yes,
सर और सारी जो टीम है
absolutely.
करनाल तक,
प्रकाश सर, और जिस दिन आपका रिटर्न एग्जाम आ रहा होता है, रिटर्न एग्जाम का रिजल्ट आता है, अगर रिजल्ट अच्छा होता है तो इनके चेहरे से ही पता लग जाता है कि भाई रिजल्ट कैसा आ रहा है, अच्छा आया। So
Yes, sir.
this is where I always say, all my students who are hearing me, my dear boys, please remember, there are two category of people who are absolutely delighted in your happiness, and they are very sad if you are sad. These two categories are first your parents, and second, along with that, your teachers.
सर एक बात,
हाँ जी,
एक प्रोग्राम था और अखिलेश ने एक बात कही थी कि हम लोगों को 11th-12th में इतनी मेहनत कराई जाती है गुरुकुल के अंदर कि अगर हमारा एसएसबी क्लियर हुआ नहीं हुआ, लेकिन हम मेहनत करना सीख जाते हैं। अगर बाई चांस अगर हमारा एसएसबी में नहीं भी होता तो हम यूपीएससी, आईएएस, आईपीएस बनते। बोले इतना जज्बा हमारे अंदर आ जाता है, इतनी मेहनत करना हम
Yes, sir.
सीख जाते हैं।
हमारे बहुत बच्चे हैं जो बिकॉज ऑफ मेडिकल रीजंस वो बच्चे एनडीए में नहीं आ पाए। लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग, ये बच्चे नहीं पीछे हटने वाले, ये कर जाएंगे कुछ ना कुछ, इन्होंने कर जाना है। क्योंकि गुरुकुल के अंदर जितनी एनडीए विंग और अपना आईआईटी की तरफ जिस तरीके से जेनेसिस, केम्ब्रिज की तरफ से जितनी मेहनत करवाई जाती है, प्लस हम लोग एनडीए विंग में और आईआईटी के बच्चों के साथ में भी, 9th-10th के साथ में भी, this is one area, Bhagat Singh Hostel and Subhash Chandra Hostel of NDA wing. These are the areas where I have to be there at least 5 times in a day, and I have to spend time with my students over there. And impromptu classes. Then Balwan Saab is always there. Mohanty Saab stays within that building.
Yes, sir.
The presence of these people makes such a wonderful, impression on the students, and gives them a kind of a protection, gives them a feeling that yes, they are part of a bigger family. And this is how the students change themselves. And if for any reason, if a boy is not even passed his NDA written exam, I always say, Happy is right now here. I have always been saying, heavens are not going to fall down. आसमान नहीं गिर जाएगा अगर बच्चा एनडीए
Yes, sir.
पेपर नहीं कर गया, लेकिन एनडीए विंग के बीच में रह के, जेनेसिस की क्लासेस के बीच में उधर आईआईटी की क्लासेस अटेंड करके, अगर आप 4 साल वहां पे रह गए हो, 9th क्लास ऑनवर्ड्स, आप चाहे आईआईटी में ना जाओ, लेकिन सीईओ फिर भी कंपनी के बनोगे। आप अगर एनडीए में नहीं भी गए, आप आईएमए के थ्रू, सीडीएस के थ्रू निकलोगे। अगर उसमें भी नहीं गए, यू विल बी एन आईएएस ऑफिसर, यू विल बी एन आईपीएस ऑफिसर। एंड इवन इफ यू जॉइन एनी, इफ यू डोंट जॉइन एनी जॉब आल्सो in society, you will be a man with lot of power and with lot of influence, because अब आपको मुश्किल चीजों को सॉल्व करने के लिए अंदर से शक्ति आपने जागृत करनी शुरू कर दी।
Yes,
जब
sir.
वो हम कर देते हैं, then there is no looking back.
सर अभी जैसे बच्चे घर बैठे हुए हैं और काफी पेरेंट्स की शिकायतें भी आती हैं कि भाई मोबाइल का एडिक्शन हो चुका है, लेकिन फिर भी सर हमारे गुरुकुल के बच्चे काफी डिसिप्लिन है। वो इन सारी बातों को, जो भी आप सिखाते थे, उन बातों को याद रखा। कई पेरेंट्स ने मुझे कॉल भी किया।
No, my
और
students, I am very happy to share with all of you that, this time when we had our online classes, our attendance was very good. And not only attendance, the participation of students was much better, of very high quality. So that shows that how responsible our students are. Now they know that it's not just a time pass. They know it that we are very serious and we have to do something because Corona times you don't know. So our students have also molded themselves in a way that we feel very proud about it. So, and the students who have done it, there's no looking back for them.
हाँ सर,
Yes,
मैं
sir.
चाहता हूँ कि लास्ट में हैप्पी बच्चों को कुछ बताए कि जिस समय पेंडेमिक है और डरावना सा माहौल भी है चारों तरफ और पढ़ाई भी करनी है, तो कैसे सिचुएशन को हैंडल करें।
So first thing I would like to add some point on confidence. जो हम अपने जेनेसिस के साथ जो एग्जाम्स देते थे, like I myself have given approximately 15 to 16 mock tests. So each test used to give me confidence. Yes, I can do it. और वो कॉन्फिडेंस इतना था कि जो मेरे 12th के बोर्ड एग्जाम हुए थे, आई वॉज नॉट वरीड। इवन जो एनडीए में जो हमारे सेमेस्टर्स के एग्जाम होते हैं, तो डर नहीं लगता कि यार एग्जाम आ गए। आई हैव दैट कॉन्फिडेंस, आई नो हाउ टू प्रिपेयर फॉर एग्जाम्स। सो दैट कॉन्फिडेंस इज डेवलप्ड फ्रॉम दैट बेसिक जो जेनेसिस ने सिखाया है कि एग्जाम्स देने हैं, कैसे प्रिपेयर करना है। उसके लिए थैंक यू वेरी मच सर। एंड स्टिल आज भी कोई भी एग्जाम होता है सर, मुझे कुछ डर नहीं होता कि मैं फेल होऊंगा पास होऊंगा, मुझे बस ये होता है कि एग्जाम दे के आ जाऊंगा अच्छे से, विथ फुल कॉन्फिडेंस।
थैंक यू हैप्पी। और आप इतने शॉर्ट नोटिस पर यहाँ पर आए, बच्चों से मिले, और कर्नल सर बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much. So I will, wind up by, then I'll hand it over back to Jitendra ji. I will just wind up. First of all, again, congratulations, dear Happy. Convey my congratulations to Akhilesh also. We missed him. I wish he should have also joined.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
But convey
sir.
my best wishes and congratulations to him also. And when you
Yes, sir.
meet the other Gurukulians, please do convey my best wishes and blessings to them also. And
Yes,
I'm sure the number of students, who have sent me the messages where they have said that, yes, sir, I can do it and I will do it. So that
Yes, sir.
shows that how you have inspired them and how, with you people opening the path for the other Gurukulians in NDA. Now I am sure it's going to be a flood from our side to NDA, where large number of boys will be joining NDA from Gurukul Kurukshetra. They have already
Yes,
done.
sir.
And 3
Yes,
are
sir.
going to join this year as of now.
Yes,
3
sir.
are waiting, they have cleared their medicals, everything has been cleared for them.
Yes,
And,
sir.
And anything you want to say?
So just, yes, it's a matter of proud for us also that yes, we say jo baki Sainik school type, Sainik school, military school types are there. They say yes, we are going for our school social, and how many approximately their number is much more bigger than us. But yes, we feel proud. Yes, we also have our school social, and we are 10 in number. We are, and now it will increase. So I will be very happy about that thing, sir. And yes, I will be waiting for more to join the academy.
Yeah. But that you do it once you come back as an instructor in NDA. Now it's time to pack up from there.
Yes.
And go to your Air Force Academy and be an ace pilot over there.
Yes.
So with this, I give you all my blessings. I wish you all the very best. And I also take this opportunity to thank all our staff members here in Gurukul, of NDA wing, of Genesis, of the chief warden. When I told him that I'm going to speak to you, he was very excited. He was very, excited that, you boys are there. Chief warden again is a very wonderful person who takes care of each one of you. So I would like to thank all my Gurukul and the Genesis and the Cambridge staff for their efforts in shaping you people. And my efforts are going to be only successful when you bring that success back to me. So I would like to thank all my cadets also who are in NDA and those who are going to join NDA for making us feel very proud of themselves. And to all other students who are part of the seminar, who have been participants here, I'm sure they are very much motivated and they will follow the 3 mantras which I have shared with them: self-respect, self-discipline, self-grooming. इन तीनों के बीच में आप ही आप सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट हैं.
Yes, sir.
सेल्फ किसका डिसिप्लिन? सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन किसका? डिसिप्लिन मेरा डिसिप्लिन. सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट किसकी रिस्पेक्ट? मैं अपनी रिस्पेक्ट मेंटेन करूंगा. ग्रूमिंग कौन करेगा? मैं अपनी ग्रूमिंग खुद करूंगा. So
Yes, sir.
in this entire thing, Happy is also shared with all of you, my dear students, the fact that it is you and you who have to take care of yourself, analyze yourself, see what are the weaknesses, remove those weaknesses, convert them into strengths, and strengths are to be further improved so that they become robust strengths. And with this, we can always move forward with honest means, with integrity, with our head high. So I wish you all the very best. God bless you
Thank you,
all.
sir.
Over to Jitendra ji. I'll be logging off. God bless all
Thank
of
you,
you.
sir.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच। हैप्पी, थैंक यू।
Thank you very much.
मोहंती साहब बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। कौशिक साहब भी हैं, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। तो बच्चों, हाँ, जय हिंद, जय हिंद। सारे बच्चे अभी भी लिख रहे हैं आई कैन डू। तो ठीक है, हैप्पी,
Yes, sir.
बहुत अच्छा लगा और बड़ा गर्व महसूस हो रहा है ये वेबिनार करके। अभी तक हम लोग ने काफी सारे आईआईटीएंस को बुलाया,
Thank you, sir.
मेडिकल वाले बच्चों को बुलाया, पर स्पेशली
Yes,
आज
sir.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि एक फ्लाइंग ऑफिसर से बात कर रहे हैं। और अभी हम देखते थे कि भाई हमारे छत के ऊपर से फाइटर प्लेन जा रहा है, तो हो सकता है कभी हैप्पी कंपोज जी उसको लेके जाएगा। थैंक यू, थैंक यू हैप्पी,
Yes.
थैंक यू बच्चों।
Thank you,
डिसिप्लिन
sir.
रहो, मेन
Thank
चीज
you,
ये
sir.
है। थैंक यू बेटा। ओके।